Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Llama.C++ on your Windows PC and why you need to switch right now. Since the beginning I was always a big fan of LM Studio because it was so easy to run an LLM. But then I started to realize that the backbone was Llama.C++, which is a CLI tool that you can run in your command line. And I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. But first, let's go to the website to install Llama.C++. Alright, now go to the website Llama.CPP.com and go down to the download button, click on the download button, and there you will see a version for Windows, for Linux and Mac OS. We are going to download the one for Windows, and this link will send you to the GitHub page where you got all the versions that you can download. We are going to focus on Windows. If you only got a CPU in your PC, then you can use the first ones. If you got an Nvidia GPU, you can use one of these ones, the one with CUDA. And if you got an AMD card like me, then you can use the Vulkan one, which is pretty stable. So let's download this one and extract it over here. Alright, then I hit F2 and I'm going to rename it to Llama. Now click on the start and enter CMD to open a terminal. Now we change our directory with CD to the downloads folder, and this is where our Llama folder is. So we change our directory into Llama, and when you hit CLS you can clear everything again to see the terminal clean again. And once you got that, you can hit there. And this is where all the Llama tools are shown, which is the same as the files that we got there. Okay, the tool that I use the most is Llama server, where you can run it like this. But first we need to download a LLM. So we go to huggingface.com. Okay, now let's pick, for example, Qwen 3.6 or 3.5 for B by Onslaught, and go to files and versions, and let's just pick the Q4KM, which is a pretty small model. So if you only have 4 GB of VRAM, you probably can run this on your GPU. Alright, once the model is downloaded, let's go to the downloads folder. And here we see our model. So all we gotta do is hit F2. We're going to copy this, Ctrl C, and then we go back to our terminal where we can fill in our model. And because we are in the downloads folder, this is one folder up, slash, and then we put the name there. So that means one folder up from the Llama folder, and then you end up in the downloads folder. So now hit enter, and literally this is all the magic that needs to be done to run a simple model. Hit Ctrl, click, and there you go. You got a ChatGPT kind of flow where you can already talk to your LLM.